spaghetti. Hi, my spaghettis. And what? Why did I say hi, my? Why did I say hi, my spaghettis? Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be doing octopus things, and there's a butterfly. Ratatouille. What? Play some music. Okay, Ellie. He's so overprotective of the cat mint. Okay, so we have Weasel.
Tell them what we've done today.
We went to Aldi. No, not the range.
Yeah.
Went to the range and we got these different stuff. And so we had these 2 octopuses, but we have 3. This is for Naomi. And on the packet it says either reversible
Octopop. Hold it up so you can see the side. Make a thumbnail.
What?
Perfect thumbnail.
We don't know. Can I have a...
Okay, right, show us your octopops. I hadn't seen these ones before. This is the first time I've seen them, so...
Like, what are they called? Pop it?
Yes.
But you pop this one down and see that face? And the other one is just they start in the duck lips.
Oh, right, yeah.
Don't mind Ellie getting the catnip. I put on this.
I like the green one.
So they have different colours as well. So
You can pop the feet as well. These are 8 feet.
2, 4, 6, 8.
They're octopops, honestly. 4 reversible colours again.
And then we have 2 of these because Mum couldn't decide which one she liked better.
Alright. I like the yellow one. I like the yellow. I do like the... So that's the one that you had, wasn't it? The brown one you already had. And then we've just bought 2 reversible.
Yeah. I think this one has better quality and is much larger.
Alright.
But that's just my opinion. Also,
Was that Tik Tok?
how did it get that on it? How did I get? Yeah,
We
because
could probably put them in the
look,
wash, probably.
because I found one of these that had a hole in it.
And probably, right, turn them the other ways then, let's see the different colours. So that one goes to a darker brown, and then he's got a meanie face.
Also, I have this one before as the meanie face. So the
So yellow's a meanie face, and blue's a happy face, and then we've got purple, and a green meanie. Cool.
And then we found other puppet things, but what we thought we're getting this for a little boy.
Oh, that's quite cool.
Yeah,
So, hold it up.
it's a Spiderman. We also found like a Teen Titans one.
So you've got Spiderman
and
in
there
the
was like
middle.
there was a Captain America one and there was a green one as well.
Spiderman in the middle, and then you've got the puppets around it.
And
And then that means that you just have to share your sisters.
He already has one himself.
Right.
He has a puppet itself, but it doesn't actually shout. But it doesn't. Also, we got these hand sanitizers because I was sneaking. I got these without my mum knowing. And I also got the master of them all. So,
What's that one?
Baby Shark. My ex. So this one, it's like, okay, I'm not going to touch the cats, am I? But this one here is like a yellowy, like a vanilla thing. I like this one. This one though,
I can't smell that now.
my worst nightmare.
Cherry blossom.
Yeah, it's to smell. My dad said it smells of old lady, but no, it smells of a tree. But I don't.
Yeah. So when you put this stuff on your hands, you shouldn't. Oh, she's half of it down my leg.
You said you want that one up.
You shouldn't you touch your cats or animals after it because some of it can be poisonous to them. It smells.
Smells
What's the
really.
other?
This one's nice.
Sweet bloom. Yeah, I think the vanilla and almonds is nice to smelling, isn't it?
Still don't know how you like this one.
Baby Shark's the nicest. Doesn't smell of anything. And those were a bargain price of just £1 at the range, so they're quite handy just for popping on your bag. Because
I got
if
4.
you can see there, they have a little key.
I would have gotten more, but like
They have a little key.
more.
on
But I
them.
would have gotten more, but like I wouldn't waste all your money. So like,
Yeah.
I was also when I was getting there, I was by myself because you literally left me.
I was looking at the containers. We've
Yeah.
got a whole load of
I
containers.
had
for
to
the
go
kitchen as well.
through 3 aisles until I found you.
We might have to show you on another video all our containers.
Ellie, I can't touch you. I'm sorry.
So this is the start of our summer holidays.
It's not the start. It's been a week.
Came about a week of the summer holidays. Sophie's had to be isolating because of the school. But this was our first trip out that we were allowed to make. Then we're still there. So we're going to
Can I
do
kick
some.
her?
We've got some. You can't. We've got some trips planned. Got some adventures planned. We've got some craft kits to do, haven't we?
That's a bee.
Hey. There'll be flamingo.
We need to bring. Oh, that's a bee. Ellie, that's a bee. That's my mummy.
Hopefully we'll do some more videos out in the sunshine because we're having a heat wave in the UK at the moment. It's
Heat
First
waves
from
are
the,
taking me
up
out.
north.
Can't make me happier.
we don't
now.
normally get
Heat
the hot
waves
weather up
taking
north,
me
so
out. Can't make
it's
me
nice.
happier now.
it's just very hot. It's about
Green
28
not
at the minute. Not breezy, which is nice. She's
Heat
sitting in the
waves
cat
brings
mint.
me out.
It's
Can't
her
make
cat
me
mint.
happier now.
Really? Right, so Sophie,
I'm gonna hit the cat, aren't I?
no, probably me.
You're gonna, yeah. If I throw something, it always hits Mum.
So what do you want to say to all your new subscribers that you've got?
Thanks for the money. Thanks for the no money.
I haven't got any money. Thank you for
Bee!
Thank you for all subscribing. Does mean a lot. Oh. Ellie wanted to go the poppet there.
It was a bee.
It means a lot to us that we've got people who like our channel. Oh,
Ellie.
the cat's gone back in there.
Come it back.
Right, Sophie?
Wait, oh my god.
I'm gonna pocket it.
It's dirty. I thought I'd wash it.
Stop it.
Oh, wait, I can show that.
No flamingo.
Right. Look at you.
So if I try and remember, I'll
Look
put
at you
a link.
there.
I'll put a link below.
Oh, guys, look at my mum's artwork.
Hairy leg. Right, what do you say?
Look, see, look. Different bits, because you're in on the grass.
Yeah. What do you say, Sophie? Ellie, you do the ending.
No, I'm
Yeah, you do the ending. Bye.
If you like me, give me a thumbs up or subscribe.